Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use those Instagram avatars that I showed you guys how to create in the previous video. So what you're going to want to do first is go to direct messages on the top right corner and select an account you want to send the avatar to. And then press the plus button next to the images button over here and press sticker. And then you are going to then press avatar. And as you can see, you have these avatar stickers that you can send to your friends through direct messages. For instance, I'm going to choose this one. Congrats. And then if you want to add more, send more, just press sticker, avatar, like hi. And they also have these stickers in where they're in like wheelchairs too, like the high one and the laughing one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can use avatars on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!